Good morning, students. In the previous class, we completed up to C part of question number 4 of exercise 3B. Today we will continue the same exercise, same question from D part of question number 4. What was the question? List any 4 rational numbers between each of the following number pairs. Given rational number pair is minus 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 3. See here, it is given minus 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 3. Students, you are noticing that in this pair of rational number, both the denominators are not same, they are different. So what we will do? First we will find their LCM and we will make the denominators same as we did in C part. In C part, first we make denominators equal. So how can we make denominators equal? LCM of 2 and 3. If we find the LCM of 2 and 3, it will be 6. 2 1 ja 2, 3 as it is, then by 3, 1, 3 1 ja 3. LCM is 2 into 3 equal 6. So, if we multiply this minus 1 upon 2 by 3 and this 2 upon 3 by 2, then their denominator will be equal. It will become 3 1 ja 3 minus 3 upon 6 and 2 2 ja 4, 3 2 ja 6. It is 4 upon 6. Now you are also noticing that one rational number is negative and other is positive. Their denominators are same. Their numerators are minus 3 and 4. So students, if we see on the number line, suppose this is a number line. This is only for rough work. This is a number line. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 0 upon 6, 1 upon 6, 2 upon 6, 3 upon 6, 4 upon 6, minus 1 upon 6, minus 2 upon 6, minus 3 upon 6. Now this is minus 3 upon 6 and this is 4 upon 6. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 rational number between this minus 3 upon 6 and this 4 upon 6. So we can write any 4 rational number from here. So minus 3 upon 6, minus 2 upon 6, minus 1 upon 6, 0 upon 6, then 1 upon 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you can write 4 upon 6. So these 4 rational numbers are between minus 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 3. See, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. We can write it minus 1 upon 2. We can write it 1 upon 3 minus 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. Minus 1 upon 6, 0 upon 6, 1 upon 6. Then 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. It is 2 upon 3. So these are the 4 rational number between minus 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 3. Always remember, if the denominator of the given rational number pair is not equal, then first we will make them equal. Now come to its E part. Its E part is 1 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. See here, again their denominators are not same. If we find LCM of 3 and 5, then their LCM 3 1 ja 3, 5 as it is, then by 5, 1, 5 1 ja 5. LCM is equal 3 into 5, 3 5 ja 15. It means if we multiply 1 upon 3 by 5 and 4 upon 5 by 3, then their denominator will be same. 5 1 ja 5 upon 3 5 ja 15 and 4 3 ja 12 upon 5 3 ja 15. Now both the denominators are same and their numerators are 5 and 12. So first we will check on the number line whether there are 4 rational number between them or not. See, if we take it like, suppose I am starting it 5 upon 12, 6 upon 12, 7 upon 12, 8 upon 12, 9 upon 12, 10 upon 12, 11 upon 12, 15, 5 upon 15, 6 upon 15 because denominator is 15, 7 upon 15, 8 upon 15, 9 upon 15, 10 upon 15, 11 upon 15 and 12 upon 15. This is our 5 upon 15 and this is our 12 upon 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are again 6 rational number between these two rational number. So again we can take any 4. This is 5 upon 15, 6 upon 15, 7 upon 15, 8 upon 15, 9 upon 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can write this 12 upon 15. We can leave this 10 upon 15 and 11 upon 15. We can write any 4 rational number. So these are the 4 rational number between 5 upon 15 and 12 upon 15. Now if we simplify it, it will become 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15. 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15 means 1 upon 3. Then we simplify it 3. 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15. 7 upon 15 cannot be simplified. 8 upon 15 cannot be simplified. Then 9 upon 15. 3 3 ja 9, 3 5 ja 15. Then 12 upon 15 means 4 upon 5. 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15. So these are the 4 rational number between 1 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. Now come to its F part. In F part, given rational pair is 0 and 1. So student, see 0 and 1. It is 0 upon 1 and it is 1 upon 1. Their denominator are already same, or we can take as 0 and 1. So what we will do, we have to find 4 rational number. It means n is equal 4 as I told you in A, B and C part. Then n plus 1 will be 4 plus 1, 5. We have to find 4 rational number between 0 and 1. So n is equal 4. Then n plus 1 is equal 4 plus 1 equal 5. Now we will multiply these numbers by 5. So we will write 0 upon 1 multiply 5 and 1 upon 1 multiply 5 multiply 5. 5 0 ja 0 upon 5 1 ja 5 and 5 1 ja 5 upon 5 1 ja 5. Now it is 0 upon 5 and 5 upon 5. Again if we take it on a number line, it is 0 upon 5, 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5, 5 upon 5. This is 0 upon 5 and this is 5 upon 5. So these are the 4 rational number. 0 upon 5, 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5, 5 upon 5. These are the 4 rational number between 0 and 1. Because 0 upon 5 can be written as 0, then 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5, then 5 upon 5 means 1. These are the 4 rational number between 0 and 1. Now our this exercise 3B is completed up to here. Now I am going to start next exercise 3rd C. In exercise 3rd C, what we will learn operation on rational numbers as addition, subtraction, multiplication. So let us see. See, this is our exercise 3C. Its first question is find the sum of the following rational numbers. A part is 4 upon 7 and minus 2 upon 7. See, here I have written here 4 upon 7 and minus 2 upon 7. So students, we have to add these two rational number. What we will do? First we will write it with plus sign. This 4 upon 7, in place of and we will put plus sign. Then this minus 2 upon 7 will be written in the bracket like this. Now this 4 upon 7 minus 2 upon 7, because out of this bracket there is plus sign, so we will write it minus 2 upon 7. Now here you are observing that both the denominators are same, so no need to find the LCM. What we will do? We will simply subtract their numerators. 4 minus 2, it will be 2, then 2 upon 7. If denominators are same, then no need to find the LCM. B part. Its B part is 7 upon 16 and 1 upon 16. So first 7 upon 16 we will put addition plus sign, in place of this and 1 upon 16. Again you are observing both the denominators are same, no need to add, no need to find the LCM. Simply we will add these numerators. 7 plus 1. Here it was 4 upon 7 minus 2 upon 7. So we have subtracted 4 minus 2. Here it is 7 plus 1. It will be 8 upon 16. It can be simplified. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. So our answer will be 1 upon 2. C part. In C part, minus 10 upon 33 and minus 1 upon 33. Again minus 10 upon 33, in place of and put plus sign, then minus 1 upon 33. It will be written as minus 10 upon 33. Again there is plus sign out of this bracket. We will write this as minus 1 upon 33. Again students, you are observing again, then denominators are same, so we will simplify it as we do. Minus 10, it is minus 1. Minus 10 minus 1, when they are simplified, we get minus 11 upon 33. Minus 10 minus 1, both the sign are same. We will add their numerical value and put the same sign. So it is minus 10 minus 1, minus 11 upon 33. 11 1 ja 11, 11 3 ja 33. It will be minus 1 upon 3. Clear? Now come to its D part. D part is 4 upon 5 and 7 upon 8. First we will write it 4 upon 5 plus 7 upon 8. Students, here you are observing that both the denominators are different, not same. So first we will find their LCM. When we find LCM of 5 and 8, see here I am doing its rough work here. First we will do it by 2. 5 will be as it is, 2 4 ja 8. Then by 2, 5 will be as it is, 2 2 ja 4. Again by 2, 5 will be as it is, 2 1 ja 2. Then by 5, 5 1 ja 5 1. LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 5 ja 40. This is the LCM. So we will write LCM here. Now divide this LCM by this denominator. What we will do first? We will divide this LCM by this denominator. means 40 divided by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25, 5 6 ja 30, 5 7 ja 35, 5 8 ja 40. It is 8. Now this 8 multiply this numerator 4. In the same way 40 divided by 8. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24, 8 4 ja 32, 8 5 ja 40. 5, then multiply this numerator. First we will divide this 40 by 5, we get 8, then 8 multiply this numerator 4, plus then 40 divided by this 8, 8 5 ja 40, 5 multiply this numerator 7. Now 8 4 ja 32 plus 5 7 ja 35 upon 40, add this one, 5 2 7, 3 3 6, it is 67 upon 40. Now it is an improper fraction. In an improper fraction, numerator is always greater than denominator. So we will change it into mixed fraction. When we divide this 67 by 40, 41 ja 40, 7 minus 0 7, 6 minus 4 2. So 1 is to 27 upon 40. This 1 is to 27 upon 40. This is a mixed fraction. Now it's E part. In E part, question is 6 upon 11 and minus 7 upon 5. Again, first we will write it 6 upon 11 plus minus 7 upon 5. This is 6 upon 11 minus 7 upon 5. Now again both the denominators are not same, they are different. We will find the LCM of 11 and 5. It will be 55. Then divide this 55 by this 11. 11 1 ja 11, 11 2 ja 22, 11 3 ja 33, 11 4 ja 44, 11 5 ja 55. 5 multiply this numerator 6, then this minus, again divide this 55 by 5, we get 11, then multiply by 7. Now simplify it, 5 6 ja 30 minus 11 7 ja 77 upon 55. Now students, apply the simplification rule. When two numbers are with different sign, it is plus, it is minus, then we subtract the smaller one from the larger one. It means we will subtract this 30 from 77. We will get minus 47 upon 55. Here students, it is a proper fraction because numerator is smaller than denominator. If numerator is greater, then it is an improper fraction and we will change it into mixed fraction. But if numerator is smaller, it is a proper fraction. It will remain as it is. Now its last part, F. F part is 7 upon minus 18 and 8 upon 21. So student, first we will write it 7 upon minus 18 plus 8 upon 21. Students, here you are noticing that minus sign is numerator. First we will shift this minus sign from denominator to numerator. Then it will be written as minus 7 upon 18 plus 8 upon 21. If we write minus 7 upon 18 or we write 7 upon minus 18, both are same. Because, why we have shifted this minus sign from denominator to numerator? Because if minus sign is denominator, we cannot find the LCM. Here both the denominator are different. It means we need to find the LCM. First here we will find its LCM. See, if we find LCM of 18 and 21, 2 9 ja 18, 21 will be as it is. Now we will do it by 3. 3 3 ja 9, 3 7 ja 21. Again by 3, 3 1 ja 3, 7 will be as it is. Then by 7, 1 as it is, 7 1 ja 7. So LCM is 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. 2 3 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18, and 18 7 ja 126. So its LCM is 126. Now divide this LCM 126 by this 18 denominator. 126 divided by 18, 18 7 ja 126. Now this 7 multiply this minus 7. Minus 7 multiply 7. This minus 7 multiply by this 7. Then this plus sign. Again divide this 126 by this denominator 21. 21 6 ja 126. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. So it is 6. Then 8 multiply by 6. Now 7 7 ja 49 minus 49 plus 8 6 ja 48 upon 126. Again apply the rule of simplification. When two numbers are with different sign, we subtract the smaller one from the larger one. It means we get minus 1 upon 126. I think there should be no problem up to here. So students, today we will do up to here only. If you have any problem, then tell me. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day.